In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. If you work with prices in India, you'll often need the rupee symbol in Google Sheets. The good news is, adding it is quick and reliable, and you have two simple ways to do it. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document so you're ready to work. Once the sheet is open, click the exact cell where you want the rupee symbol to appear. Choosing the cell first matters because anything you insert or paste will go right there. The fastest method is copy and paste. Find the rupee sign, which looks like this. Rs. You can grab it from a trusted source such as a web page or an existing document where the symbol is displayed correctly. Highlight the symbol, copy it, then return to your Google Sheet and paste it into the selected cell. You can paste directly into the cell or click into the formula bar to place it precisely within existing text. After you paste, the rupee symbol should immediately appear. If you're using a standard font, it will display crisply. Most modern fonts support this character. If you see a generic box or a strange placeholder, that usually means the source didn't copy correctly or the font on that cell doesn't support the symbol. So try copying the symbol again from a different source. There's also another option you can use, depending on your version and menu options. Go to the Insert tab and choose Special Characters, if you see it available. A search panel will open where you can type Rupee. From the results, select the rupee symbol. Because you already selected your cell, Sheets will place the symbol right where your cursor is. This method is helpful when you want to be certain you're inserting the exact character rather than a lookalike. Once inserted, the rupee symbol is now part of your cell's content. You can keep it on its own, or alongside other text like a product name. If you pasted it into a cell that already has content, make sure it appears in the correct position so your labels or notes remain clear. And if you need multiple rupee symbols, you can simply copy the one you just added and paste it into other cells to save time. That's it. Open your sheet, select the target cell, insert the symbol by pasting it in, or use the Special Characters tool if it's available, and your rupee symbol will appear exactly where you need it.